Here I have ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open settings. Then you have to go to the system section, then go to the advanced reset options and select erase all data factory reset. Then tap delete all data and then once again, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.